Hi friends, welcome to Avi's Academy. In this video, I'll be providing an overview on how e-commerce has evolved over the years and what are some of the significant development that have taken place in the field of e-commerce. Especially, I'll be putting a light on the first e-commerce transaction that has happened online. In our previous video, we discussed e-commerce is exchange of goods and services electronically using internet, and the payment has to be made electronically. If we want to know how e-commerce has evolved, we had to put or we have to shed light on how commerce has shaped from our nomadic life to so-called modern civilized life. So we know ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾನವ ಜೀವನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಲಿವ್ ಅ ನೊಮ್ಯಾಡಿಕ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಅಲೆಮಾರಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿನಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಇನ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್. ಆ ನಂತರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು ಫುಡ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲೇ ಗ್ರೋ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಪಾರ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, ವೇರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಟೂ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಗೂಡ್ಸಿನ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಮಾನಿಟರಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಈ ಇಮೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಆನ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಚಿಕನ್, ರೈಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಈ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಮಾನಿಟರಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಆನಂತರ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎಗೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದು ರೂಲ್ ಇದು ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್, ವಿ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈವನ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ gold used to happen on the streets of Vijayanagara kingdom, right? So ಆ ರೀತಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮಿಡೀವಲ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್, ಸೊ ಮಿಡಿವಲ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಸೊ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈ ಬೈಯರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದ ನಂತರ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸೇ ಬೈಯರ್ಸನ್ನು ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಈವನ್ ಬೈಯರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ so which was not available in their country, so they started exploring or they started moving to another country. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರೇಷನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್, ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸ್, ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ರೈಟ್. ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್, British or the Portuguese, they have come to India with the intention of trading. Yes, they later on they ruled us, that's a different story, but their intention was trade, because they wanted certain spices that are not available in their country, so they came to India. So ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಸೊ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ರೈಟ್. ಇನ್ ಅದರ್ ವೇ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ in 1994 something happened, right? So let's see what happened, how internet has contributed to the development of or evolution of e-commerce. Next,
Internet was originally used for military and academic research purpose, but there are many who felt that because of some of the features of internet, it can be used for business and commercial transactions as well. There were a good number of attempts to use internet for commercial transactions as well. But as I said in our previous video, there was something happened in 1994 that has changed the world of commerce drastically. In 1994, a 21-year student who has completed his studies from London School of Economics, he and three of his friends, they started a website called Netmarket. So in that website, that is Mr. Dan Kohn, he sold a product online using internet to his friend who was living in Philadelphia named Phil Brandenberger, on August 11, 1994 for a price of $28.48 plus shipping charges, and this was the first transaction that was made online in a secured way. So this is termed as the first e-commerce transaction that has occurred online. Before Dancon, many people have made an attempt to sell products online. The first such significant incident has taken place in the year 1971 when the students of Stanford University sold a certain product to the students of Massachusetts Institute of Technology, that is MIT, in the year 1971 via ARPANET. And then in the year 1974, Donald Sherman, he has used his talking computer to place a pizza order. And then in the year 1984, a 74-year-old British lady, Jane Snowball, she has used her Videotex, a device called Videotex that was connected to her television. Then she used it to place an order for groceries purchase. All these transactions are not considered as e-commerce transaction because of some reason. If we are speaking about the first transaction order was placed online, but the product sold was an illegal product, and the payment has also taken place not electronically. In the case of second and third transaction, that is the transaction of Donald Sherman and Jane Snowball, those two transactions are also where online order is placed online, but the payment is not done electronically, and the delivery is also made in person. So that's why these three transactions are not considered as e-commerce transaction. Then we know in the year 1994, the transaction between Dan Kohn and Phil Brandenburger, where the selling of Sting solo album named The 10 Summoner's Tale has happened on August 11th, 1994, and this was the first e-commerce transaction in its true sense, because the order is placed online and even the payment is made electronically using a credit card in a secured way. So this is considered as the first online or e-commerce transaction. Then in the year 1995, eBay was founded, and Jeff Bezos' company, that is Amazon, has made its first sale of books in the year 1995. Then in the year 1998, there was a company that was formed called PayPal that has transformed the electronic payment system. Then after that, there were several significant events happened. 2000 dot-com bubble burst. After that, many companies have started their business via online, and in the year 2008 or in the year 2006, from Indian context, the first e-commerce company, Flipkart, was started. And then from e-commerce point of view, 2008 is the year that has transformed, or you can say that has transcended the business of e-commerce, because in that year e-commerce has entered to mobile phone, and after that whatever happened we are witnessing at present. So this is how e-commerce has evolved over the years, and these are the developments, significant developments that have taken place in the field of e-commerce. So this is all about this video. So if you have liked the video, give a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press bell icon to get continuous notification on the videos which I am going to upload in the future days. And if you have any doubts or queries, you can write in the comment section. So thank you for watching the video.